Hi everyone, today I'm gonna share it with you this care share. It is a Japanese brand or Taiwan, and because I don't know to read Japanese and I searched from Google's and I saw this is I saw the site of Kirshi online shop and but the pictures here is different, but they are still same, only the label or the logo here it's a bit different, but they are same. I think I bought this long time ago that I was forget where I put. The price is this is Taiwan is 169 NT. I bought it at Sasa store or Sasa shop, and I searched it the English that how I use this. Okay, it say here care share and special makeup brush cleaning agents, but here make care share makeup brush cleaner, yeah, but they're same. And size is 900, capacity is 990 90 ml. If we check if it's the same, cannot, don't have, yeah, it's say 90 ml. Yeah, it's 90 ml. Color, it's orange essence. I don't know how to Fluid straight chain interface active agent salt. Materials glycerin, sodium citrate, natural water, soluble fiber, antibacterial agents, lanolin. I don't know what that means. Its origin is Taiwan. The price here is 220, but I don't know what it, but it's original. The price that I bought in, because this one is online, I bought it's 169 $90, and because I was looking the instruction how to use it, here it is a brush is women who make essential supplies and frequent contact with everyday and face cosmetic cleaning. Sterilization deodorant work is more important. Paul often using brush clean and ensure skin health and hygiene. BB Clean clear makeup brushes with antibacterials slow down skin aging, promote shine touch, ensure face skin clean and healthy. For makeup and brushes with cleaning, sterilization and deodorization. Neutral plant formula, no stimulation to reduce faint citrus scenes. Ano to? Touchscreen kasi to eh. Okay. Containing sheep oil ingredients to help rinse the brush with effects. Okay, ito yung instruction how to use it, but it's not English. Put it on your palm and then the brush here. Okay, how to use it: remove the right amount poured into a brush, dirt, the rub gently to dissolve the oil leak, then rinse with water. Place the brushes gently, press out the moisture, dry naturally. Avoid contact with the eyes. If not, please wash with plenty of water after hospital immediately. That's it. And effectively merchandise, please receive. Ganun. Kung wala na yan, kung mga gusto mo lang bumili sa online shop nila, yung mga thank you for your support. Okay, yung hinanap ko lang yung how to use it because it is a okay. I will show you the demo how I did how to use it, and only few brush, 4 pieces, 4 brushes only. I need to clean it because yeah, and this is the very dirty one. Okay, we will go to the toilet.
Here it is, and you just make it wet a little the brush. Try natin. And we'll open it. Okay. I'll put it on my, it's really liquid. I'll try that, and we'll see the first the dirty one. Here it is. And how it works. Wow. See? Don't have any bubble. So hindi naman kasi super dumi yung ito everything. You can see a bit whiting. Also the dirty. There you go. I will try this one. Ito yung foundation. Ito ulit dito. Also dito. Put here. Water. Then, scrub it. Yeah, it's work. It's work. Kasi you know, this is silicone. Actually, this is for a face. For my face, sometimes I use this to clean my brush. And you can see, maybe I have problem there. It's going to come out. Yeah, now it's almost clean. I love this to using my foundation because it's easy in angle. But the problem is here. Not worry. You just buy a glue and just stick. See, glowing lang yung ano. Sinabay nila. Yeah, it's very clean. Yes. That next is this. My Kabuki. This is makeup by Tone. Yeah, makeup by Tone. Kabuki brush. Don't waste water. Ito, I'm using this for powder foundation. Ito yung kauna-unahang brush kong purchase. From Makeup by Tony. It's from Singapore. I think this one is 500 each. Yeah, see, it's dirty. Yeah, if you have this, you can use it for your brush. Actually, hindi naman masyado dumi yung okay. May amoy siya ng citrus or yeah, it's a lemon, orange. Yeah. Because I've been looking for the cleaning brush. Maybe I need to buy. I will purchase this again. Yeah, it is work and easy to clean. It's already clean, it's right, and another one, this is Makeup by Tony, this is Abigail series. Oh my god, lumayan ka pa. Ito siya. Kasi it is rough siya, kaya it's easy. It is it too clean. I don't know where I buy this ink. Hindi mo siya nabili sa bit. Meron na siyang dila. So really clean, easy to clean, and easy to use. And this is my favorite blending shader brush. It's a Makeup by Tony also. O meron siyang gula. Kasi hindi naman siya dumadumi. Kasi if I just only off, I just only put foundation and powder. So I never put my shadow on. Ito is hindi pa siya masyado kasi ginamit ko siya sa liquid foundation kaya hindi siya na. Kadumi pa nga. Kadumi kasi nga. Natatanggal niya ang hanggang skin to come out. I bought this at Watson. Watson Thailand. Sa papel siya. Yan. Nice smell. The smell orange and soft. Okay, I love this. Kershey makeup brush cleaning I bought it from Sasa and it is 90 ml. My impression is this one need to wash it. It is plastic and this is the opening. It is very liquid and must be careful.
Okay, it's only available from Sasa if you are here at Taiwan, I think Hong Kong, Singapore. I think Singapore has also Sasa. Yeah, and is it cheap? You don't have to buy expensive that like MAC. I think MAC has the brush cleaning, but this is very cheap. It's only $149.80. It's a bit the money here in Taiwan and Philippines is konting ano na lang, almost the same yung currency, maybe 4 pesos, 150 or one like that. Not sure. Yeah, it's not smell good. It is a orange smell because it says has a orange, and yeah, you can put direct on the brush here. If you have this, it's very easy also to use to take out all the liquid foundation inside. Yeah, loving it, and I will purchase it again for the backup. Okay, thank you for watching and see you on my next video.